Hate in Pokemon fandom isn't just about looks at psychology. A survey of nearly 20,000 fans pinpointed the most disliked designs, like Perugly, intentionally ugly, or Hypno, creepy human-like traits. Even Bulbasaur's ranking was skewed by invalid votes, showing how data can mislead. Hate often stems from design choices, cultural narratives, or past experiences like Nuzlocke battles. What triggers your Pokemon hate? Surveys reveal Pokemon hate isn't random. Perugly's intentionally ugly design sparks polarization, while Hypno's uncanny valley face triggers unease. Bulbasaur topped the list until invalid votes skewed results. Hate stems from design choices, emotional triggers, and even past experiences like losing a Nuzlocke battle, a Pokemon challenge where you lose a Pokemon if it faints or is traded. What's your Pokemon hate trigger? Ever notice how some Pokemon just make your skin crawl? It's not random. Take Perugly intentionally ugly, yet polarizing, because its design plays on deep-seated biases, or Hypno, with its unsettling human-like face, triggering the uncanny valley that makes us feel uneasy. Even Bulbasaur topped the hate list, until invalid votes skewed the results, showing how data can mislead perceptions. Hate isn't just about looks. It's shaped by design choices, cultural triggers, and past frustrations like losing to Watchog's annoying Hypnosis in battle. What's your Pokemon hate trigger? Ever notice how some Pokemon just unsettle you? It's not always about looks, it's psychology. Take Hypno, with its eerie human-like face. That uncanny valley effect makes us feel uneasy, like something's off. Or Perugly, intentionally ugly but polarizing because its design plays on deep-seated biases. Even Bulbasaur topped the hate list, until invalid votes skew the results, showing how data can mislead perceptions. Hate isn't random. It's shaped by design choices, cultural triggers, and past frustrations like losing to Watchog's annoying Hypnosis moves in battle. What's your Pokemon hate trigger? Simisear's viral defeat in a Japanese Pokémon election wasn't just bad luck, it became a meme that shaped fan emotions before surveys closed. Memes amplified dislike faster than design flaws, turning temporary jokes into lasting hatred. This is why some Pokémon aren't just disliked, they're hated, because memes influence opinions before official data does. Ever wonder why some Pokémon make fans cringe? It's not random. Take Hypno, its eerie human-like face triggers the uncanny valley, making us feel uneasy, like something's off. Perugly, intentionally ugly, plays on deep-seated biases, polarizing opinions. Even Bulbasaur topped hate lists, until invalid votes skewed results, showing how data can mislead perceptions. Hate isn't just about looks. It's shaped by design choices, cultural triggers, and past frustrations like losing to Watchog's annoying Hypnosis moves in battle. Imagine logging into a Pokemon hate survey only to see Bulbasaur dominate the results. But over 30,000 invalid votes skewed the data. After cleanup, Brookxish 2548 valid votes rose to the top. Hate rankings aren't always fair. Algorithms and bots can distort perceptions. Ever scrolled comments saying Bulbasaur is the worst? Some might have been automated. Imagine logging into a survey about Pokemon hate only to realize the top spot isn't earned. It's hijacked. Over 30,000 invalid votes for Bulbasaur flooded a fan poll, skewing results until they were scrubbed clean. Was it a glitch? A bot army? The cleanup revealed something surprising. Hate rankings aren't always fair. When algorithms misbehave, the true least liked Pokemon like Brookxish gets buried under noise. It's not just about design. It's how data distorts perceptions. Ever scroll through comments and see Bulbasaur is the worst? Some of those might have been automated. That's the psychology behind Pokemon hate, memes, algorithms, and past frustrations colliding. Ever scrolled through a Pokemon hate list, convinced you knew the worst offenders? Then imagine logging into that same survey and realizing the top spot wasn't earned, it was hijacked. Over 30,000 invalid votes for Bulbasaur flooded a fan poll before they were scrubbed out. Was it a glitch? A bot army? The cleanup revealed something unexpected. Hate rankings aren't always fair. When algorithms misbehave, the true least liked Pokemon like Brookxish gets buried under noise. It's not just about design. It's how data distorts perceptions. Ever seen comments like Bulbasaur's the worst? Some of those might have been automated. That's the psychology behind Pokemon hate. Memes, algorithms, and past frustrations colliding. Charizard is a legend, but even legends get backlash. It's overpowered. Sure, Mega Evolutions, Gigantamax forms, but the hate isn't just about strength. It's about aesthetics, too. Fans say its design is clunky, its fire breath feels outdated. But here's the twist. Charizard's power fuels that frustration. When a Pokemon does everything right in games but looks like it's stuck in 1996, the tension between performance and style becomes personal. It's not just about being strong. It's about feeling like a relic in a world of sleeker, flashier designs. Picture this. A survey about the most hated Pokemon. The results come in. Bulbasaur tops the list, but something's off. Over 30,000 invalid votes? Removed. Then Brookxish rises to third place, its knobby design now the real target of frustration. Algorithms don't just measure opinions, they amplify them. A glitch, a bot army, or just human bias? It doesn't matter. The data bends, and so does perception. Hate isn't always logical. It's emotional, fueled by memes, Nuzlocke losses, or the memory of a poorly designed starter. Brookxish didn't ask for the spotlight, but now it owns it. Because in fandom wars, the truth is often buried under noise. Imagine logging into a survey about the most hated Pokemon, expecting drama, but instead finding chaos. Over 30,000 invalid votes for Bulbasaur automated or glitched. They disappear overnight, leaving Brookxish to rise as the real top contender. Why does this matter? Because hate in fandoms isn't just opinion. It's shaped by memes, algorithms, and past frustrations. Take Charizard, a powerhouse with Mega Evolutions and Gigantamax forms. Yet fans criticize its design for feeling outdated. It's not about strength alone. It's the tension between performance and aesthetics that stings. Hate is emotional, fueled by Nuzlocke losses or memes like Simisear's viral defeat in a Pokemon election. But here's the twist. Data doesn't just reflect hate. It amplifies it. A glitch, a bot army, or human bias, it doesn't matter. The truth gets buried under noise, and Brookxish and